I'm Miss Amanda. Today we are going to learn how to make a yogurt parfait. To start, already washed our hands for 20 seconds or more with soap and warm water. Then we've washed our fruit. We picked out our granola and our yogurt. If you don't have a big tub of yogurt, you can also use your Go-Gurt or whatever flavor of yogurt that you would like. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get a cup, preferably see-through so you can see all the pretty colors of your fruits that you've picked. Today we've picked blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, but you can pick any of your favorite fruits such as blackberries or watermelon or cantaloupe, grapes, any of your favorite fruits you can pick for this. So first we'll start with our vanilla yogurt that we picked out, and we can put a big scoop of yogurt in your cup at the bottom. Then we'll take some of our granola. We've used a granola bar today, so if you don't have a bag of granola that you've gotten from the store, you can find granola bars just as easy and break them up into little pieces and put them in your yogurt parfait just like this. Next, we'll take our fruit. We have our big strawberries that we're gonna cut into slices. Now, kids, we wanna make sure that we ask our parents for help when we're using a very sharp knife. So have them help you cut your fruit if you need to cut your big pieces of fruit to put in your parfait. We're gonna cut nice slices of fruit very carefully and add them in to our parfait. You can put a couple of pieces in just like that. Add a little bit more yogurt on top. And then we'll put some other fruits like our raspberries and our blueberries. And we can add a little bit more granola on top of that. You can make whatever you'd like. We've layered some things in this one here with a little bit of fruit on top, granola and yogurt with fruit in the middle. This one here has the yogurt on the bottom, granola and fruit on top, also decorated however you'd like. So that is how you make your yogurt parfait. We hope you have fun with this at home. It's very easy to find these healthy options at your store, or even if you're in your house if you have them already. So we hope to see you post your yogurt parfaits and share them with us on social media. Thank you.